Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to change the account linked to Steam account. First, you want to open your Steam account, then go here on the top left side, click on Steam, then go and click on Settings, then go and click here on Account and click on Change Email Address. After you click on Change Email Address, you can choose between send a confirmation to my Steam mobile app or I no longer have access to my Steam God mobile authenticator. I'll go for the second option. Then here you can choose between text an account verification code to my phone number ending in 29, or you can simply choose I no longer have access to this phone number or didn't receive a code. Then if you have an access to your email account, you just have to click on this option right here. Then you'll have to enter the account verification code that was sent to your Yahoo or to your Gmail, whatever account you linked to your Steam account. Then you'll have to type continue and you will be able to change your account and put in your new account or your new email address and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.